Safaricom Maotisi ni Safaricom sambaza furaha podo nyonore gwenge mag Namchumbi. Safarno kawuono mole gwenge mali koni Mtongwe Kwale Kumbani Msambweni kod Ibiza Ukunda. Safarni mosebedo kadhi nyime kor gwenge mapacho ka edhialo kastembegi chuny boma kara chuny boma mopogore kuom higni 24 nyaka ne gichak chwalo chenro gi e pacho ka. Hilda Buya ni kod ler mathoth.
Odiochieng' ma kawuono limbe gi gwenge ma kadhowa Namchumbi kambi mar Safaricom sambaza furaha kawuono norwa kod mor mogudho kinde mane kambi no chopo limo joheragi ka jodak makono nowuok karom gi edhialo chenro makamano kod miel bang'e ne giyudo puonj mopogore.
We launched ZD and that's an interesting one. So Kenyans, it's an investment platform from M-Pesa. So instead of your money just sitting in M-Pesa, for as little as 100 shillings, you put it in ZD, you earn interest, you can withdraw it when you want, there's no paperwork, but instead of the money just sitting there, you're earning interest, which I think all of us want. So it's been an exciting week.
Ni kuendelea kuelimisha kuhusu kujikinga dhidi ya wanaotaka kufanya fraud, hasa kipindi cha Krismasi. Cha pili na muhimu zaidi ni kwa shukuru. We just want to thank our customers for being with us 24 years. Na wamejitokeza kwa wingi hapa Coast, tumefurahi sana.
Safaricom bende odhialo kastembegi gi mwandu mopogore kaka gwene, diek, simbe seche magingo higni 24 nyaka ne gichak chiwo chenro gi e pacho ka.
Kutoka Nakuru County kuja kutembelea mtoto wangu. Sasa nikasiri nisapea nini? Mungu akanibarikia hii. Nashukuru sana nisapea zawadi. Nikajija leo tu. Malaka ni wajukuu yangu. Sasa juu. Sabasa juu.
Johera mag Bahari FM kod Citizen Radio noyudo thuolo mar chiwo puonje kaachiel kod bende goyo erokamano kuom siko winjogi ka bende gijiwo joheragi mondo med winjogi.
Wanapata either kuzindua huduma hizo mpya ama kuna vile wanazindua maduka yao ya mawasiliano kuhakikisha kuwa kama kumekuwa na town yote ile ambayo labda haina customer care, haina maduka ya kuweza kuwahudumia, labda wateja wamekuwa kienda sehemu mbali kuweza kutafuta huduma, wanaleta huduma hizi karibu na wananchi.
They have met their customers. They have communicated and they have said thank you and also started early celebrations for Christmas with the customer. We also at Royal Media Services are quite happy. We have reconnected with our audiences.
Kakoro dong manodiochieng' achiel kende mondo mi safar ni rume pacho ka kwayo gol ne johera mag Safaricom mondo mi obed motang' kod achudhe magocho negi ni gin apisas mag kambino. Hilda Buya, Ramogi TV.